Hello guys, today's training is on how to create a PayPal account in Ghana or Nigeria or any other African country which is not yet or PayPal is not yet in your country. You could register from other countries even though you provide your own details, and this class will show us how to register a PayPal account that can receive and make payment from anywhere, any place in the world. So let's get straight away. What we'll do is to open any browser at all. I'm going to be using Chrome for this demonstration, but you can use any browser at all. So I'll click on my browser, and at the search button at the top, you have to go to here, right here. Let me change my color. Right. So at the top here, you just write in the paypal.com/AE. Okay, let's do that. So click there and write paypal.com/AE, then search. So after searching, you should have a page just like I have right here. And what you would like to do is to sign up. Click on sign up if you see it on your screen. So just click on sign up. We are going to create a business account. So instead of personal, we click on the business, click on continue. They want to verify if you are not a robot. So just click I am not a robot. And traffic light, so try to click wherever the traffic light appears, then click on next. It didn't approve that, so let's try the bike. Yeah, verify. It should approve this now. No, bridges. So this is a bridge, this is another. What else? This is another. I think I wasn't getting it right, and this, I think this is correct. This is cool. Okay, so just wait for it to load, then we move forward. Okay, so what you like to do is to input your email address here. I'm going to use this for demonstrational purpose. It is my Gmail, one of my business Gmails. You just put your Gmail or any other email that you have, an active one. If you don't have one, just create one. Go to Gmail, or everybody. I think everybody can create a new Gmail account. Just go to Gmail and create a new one there. Okay, so continue. If you like to know how to create a Gmail account, let me know. I will record a separate video for that as well. Yeah, so I want to enter my password right here. I want to use the same password as some of my listing. Let me check. Okay, so I use one of my Gmail account as Gmail passwords as one of the password here, so that I don't forget. But create a very good password. You should enter a password between 8 and 20 characters, uppercase. So something like mostly the secret I will give is you can use any name at all, maybe your business name plus four secret numbers that nobody can guess, and just put another character or any other character like a full stop or something somewhere. So what I would have done is, if my password, I wanted to create a good password, I would write Raven Raven with the first Raven with the first letter as capital, so capital RAVEN. Then put a very good number, some numbers that I will not forget. So let's say the middle four letters of my phone number, put it there, and put a dollar sign at the back. There is no way nobody can guess this type of password. So it's just an example for you. So Raven, capital ARVEN. Then I can put dot digital DIG. Then put a unique code there, maybe 658172. Those, but it should be something you can remember. It should be a password you can remember. Yes, but you should know there should be an uppercase. So that is why I said the Raven starts with a capital letter, and the last one a number or a symbol. So if you put the number, you don't have to put the symbol, but you can put a number and a symbol. Okay, so an example: Raven with a capital A, capital R dot digital DIG, then a number. That would be a very strong password. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, so business contact. Okay, tell us about your business. We will confirm your information to keep your account secure. So legal first name, my legal first name, that is my name itself, is Yusuf. And last name, that is my surname. My father's name is Atta. Business detail, legal business name. So mine will be called, let's say, Raven Digital. Raven Digital. Raven Digital Marketing or something like that. Then I click on the phone number. I have to change the code here. I have to change it to Ghana. If you are in Nigeria, you search for Nigeria. So scroll through to Ghana. My Ghanaian people, are you there? I'm doing this for you. But if you are in Nigeria, yes, you just look for Nigeria. So Ghana is right here. If I'm in Nigeria, I have to go back, go down. It's a little bit. So N, where N is, and look for N. Where is Nigeria? Yeah, Nigeria is right here. If I'm in Cameroon, Cameroon is as at the top. That is from C. So I'm going to choose Ghana for this demonstration because my phone number is in Ghana. Why is it? Why is it? Okay, that is it. It hasn't changed. Then I will just put my number there, 0240110523. I could just remove the 0 at the front. I think they've done it for me. 240110523. And I'll have to didn't actually select the country code well. So search for Ghana and click on it. Yeah. Phone number is invalid for country. Why is it invalid? Okay, so they require the 0. So 0240110523, and that is it. My postal address, I'm going to use my school postal address, 981. So let's say Koforidua Technical University, Koforidua. Koforidua Technical University, box 981, or you can just do PO box, post office box. So let's do it right. PO So post office, or you can just write it in full: post office box 981, additional information, care of. So just it's going to be care of my name, care of Ata Yusuf. That is where I work currently. So if anything, it should be care of me. So the city is Koforidua, Emirates. So under this, we are actually creating it in American. Is it Arab Emirates? Yes, Arab Emirates. So you must choose one of the cities here, even though it's not okay, but it's perfect for you. You can receive money whether you are there or not. So I'm going to choose not a big country, because Dubai, if you put Dubai, maybe there are some taxes that they pay there. You have to pay those taxes as well. So let me just choose maybe one small town. Sorry. Let me choose Abu Dhabi. Okay. Then the currency, I'm going to leave it in US dollars. I have to agree to all terms and conditions. If you want, you can use usual agreement or privacy statement here. You can go through it, but you have to click on the box right here to agree to the policy or the agreement, user agreement. So I click on it, then click agree and continue. Business type, we could use business, we could use marketing, but for this purpose I'm going to put, okay, sorry, the type of business: individual or sole proprietorship, or solo proprietor. So we choose the first one: individual, solo partnership, or solo proprietorship. Sorry. Product or services keyword. So here we could use marketing, yeah, or let me use professional support. You could use professional services, yeah, provide professional services. Do I have a website? No, so I just leave that way. Then you could also change the product or service. Maybe if you are an affiliate marketer, a web designer, you want to be specific, but this could be used for all type of your payment, all type of payment. So you wouldn't like to be very specific with this. So professional services could be just great, and I'll click on continue. Date of birth, let me put mine there, 1st December, the December guys. Do I have to show you my age now? No problem, that is okay. United Arab Emirates nationality, I have to change it to Ghanaian. Can I find Ghanaian here? Ugandan. Yeah, so go back to G. If you are Nigerian, go up to N. If you are Cameroonian, go back to C column. I'm Ghanaian, so I'm taking it to G column, which is somewhere here. So Ghanaian. Identity document. So I'm going to select passport. I do have a passport, but you could also use how do you call it? Some other. You could also use some other identities. I'm going to input the password number, but I don't want you to see that. So after inputting yours, you are going to click same home address. I will have to change this. It's not the same thing as my postal address. So when you remove that, they will ask you for okay, then let me just leave it that way, because they are also asking for postal address which I don't have postal address for home currently. So after doing that, but if yours is different, your what you entered here is different from your home, you have a home postal address, you just have to take this off and input the address you want to put right here. But I want to keep it the same. Then click on submit. That is after inputting the password. Yeah, so I will input it, then come back, then we continue. You see it jump to the next slide. Why? Because I have to input then move forward. I don't want people to see my passport number. Yeah, so after inputting the passport number and submit, this is where it brings me to. That means I am almost done with setting up my PayPal account. Okay, I don't want to take the tour now, so just take it off for now. Okay, so your PayPal is created, almost done. Insight, last 7 days, 00 PayPal checkout and stuff, and customer email actions. Maybe you want to provide an invoice or something. Yeah, so all these things will be discussed later. But that is basically how you create a PayPal account in places that PayPal is not yet supported, or maybe it's restricted. Yeah, so that is how we create the PayPal account. Yeah, some few things you also have to create, you also have to work on. You click on the three lines at the right top hand corner, and we go to I think it's account settings. Yes, we go to account settings. Wait for it to load up. Okay, it is not here. Click there again. Yeah, so I wanted to change the profile picture. I've not found it yet, but after creating, PayPal will send you an email to verify your email. I think it has just been sent, so I have to go to the email. They sent 2 emails just now. So the one that says confirm password. Okay, so let's just click on only that one and go to confirm your email. And after this should have just it should have just made your account verified. Yeah, so click on enter the same password you used to create the account, then click on confirm email address. Whilst creating the email, if you know it will be difficult for you to remember the password, rather write it somewhere, write it in a diary, and try to use it very often so that you don't forget it, because this is money matters. Even though you can recover it, but try not to forget it. We confirm. And just wait for it to complete the confirmation. Yeah, so after confirming, it should bring you back to your dashboard. There is another one we have to look at, which is to add our professional profile picture, so that anyone who tries to make payment can see your picture and know this is the person he's sending the money to, and it should look professional. Yeah, so in the next class we'll look at some other details, how to incorporate our form of payment and how to update your profile picture, as input a good picture that anyone who wants to pay knows you are the person he or she is paying to. Yeah, so enjoy the rest of your day and see you in the next video.